All right, so it's a sad day in DK land. This is what was the Dark Knight build. So I was doing this for Collin. I've built many things in the meantime of when I started this, but this one has I've had several issues, and the biggest thing was that the hopper door was broke from the factory, and it took me until literally 4 days ago or 5 days ago to get one. And when I got all the pieces finally, and I had it pretty much ready to go. Other than that, but I wanted to get everything and actually do take it apart, Loctite it, change all the O-rings, everything, and then demo it and go, which I did today. Unfortunately, on the second demo video that I was doing, because I wasn't really happy with the first one, this broke. And apparently there's a couple other people had the same thing happen. So I don't know. I don't know what power they were using. I got that information secondhand, but this one was 55 joules with a 14-inch barrel, so it wasn't pushing as hard back here as it would have been like with an 8-inch. So I don't know. The Joker was turned up higher than this, and so I don't know. But it was a M17, not a CQMF. So I don't know. I've built 2 of the CQMFs. One is working fantastically, and this one has been a thorn in my side. And I it's not that the build has been hard or anything. It's just been waiting and getting stuff, and but yeah. So I just want to apologize to Collin because he's been patiently waiting on this for way too long, and I mean for it to break like literally the day that I'm packaging it up really ticks me off. But anyway, hopefully I can make it up to him. I don't even like this. I don't know. I'm disgusted with this right now though. But there you go. So now, for all you haters, a DK build has broke, and I've probably made somebody unhappy because they've waited forever for something that they're not getting now. So there you go. I'm sorry.